Hello, my dear friends. Today I am going to share with you the most common topic, that is how to overcome or how to make your studies hours productive. So, as we know that many students study hard or work hard for the better marks or for the study, but what happens with them, whenever they study they get some distraction, and due to that distraction they can't focus on their studies and they distract from studies, and this will impact on their goal. So this is the biggest problem of every students. So what we should do for that, or what we can do for that? So today I am going to share with you that things, or and I am presenting my opinion in front of you. So if you like this, then definitely implement it in your life, which will help you. So let's start. That to know about this topic, first we have to understand what is the distractions, or how they impact on our study, and what we should do for that. So I wrote some reasons for distraction here. So first one is our thought process. So as we know, our thought process is the main reason for our distraction, because whenever you sit for the study, or start doing study, or start studying, you will get distraction. Why you will get distraction? Because in your mind has many thoughts which are processing, and you suddenly start studying, but you can't focus on your study because there is a another thought which is processing. So we should stop that thought first, and after that start to study. So how can you do so? So what we can do, that we must try to guide our mind, that whenever we are in alone, we must try to think about different thoughts, or different thoughts means different thoughts which will help our brain to think differently. Because whenever we study that time our mind think only particular specific thoughts which are distract our minds. So when we are alone, we also think the same topic that time also. So if we think different thoughts which will help your brain while studying, so to think about that thoughts which help you in studying, so it will help you to reduce your brain unnecessary thoughts process, and make your brain productive. So what we should do, that first you can do meditation, which will help your brain definitely. Then second thing, that try to reduce your overthinking, because overthinking is the main reason for your distraction. And and second thing, that is your mobile phone for your distraction. So what we should do for that, the many people says you, or the many people say you, that keep your mobile distant from you, or make distance with mobile. But as we know it is not work. So what will work? So we should keep mobile phone mentally distance from us. So how can you keep it mentally distance with you? So try to reduce your social media present, means try to reduce uses of social media. because whenever you try to use or whenever you go any social media site and searching one topic, and after that you suddenly get distract your study topic and start searching another irrelevant topics. So try to avoid such a things, which will help you to focus on your studies, or your concentration power will increase. Then third point is have no proper plan. if you have no if you have no proper planning, that what you will do now, or what you should do now, or after that what you have to do. If you don't know your daily routine, or if you don't know what will have to do in the next minute, then you will easily distract from your goal. So first thing, you have to make a study plan which is proper format, or means after this thing I will do this, such a things. Okay. So first thing, that you have to make proper planning. And third one is lack of continuity. You have no continuity. So many students says that I want, or I am willing to study, but whenever I start studying, that time my body doesn't support me. So for first, we must maintain our body health, means take proper lunch, or take proper dinner, means whatever nutrition your body wants, please give it. Means your body doesn't react at the time of studying, or if you are not able to give it properly the food which our body wants, it will indirectly or directly affect on your mental health. So it will not good for our study. So first priority gives to your body, maintain it properly. It will definitely help you while studying. So that's it for today. I hope it will help you. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, then hit the like button, and subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon, which will help you to get latest notification. Thank you.